am a yoga instructor and yoga therapist from Singapore. It is a great pleasure and honor to be amongst such great dignitaries and speakers today. आप सभी का मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ. As you all know, 21st June is the International Day of Yoga, and we have started the celebrations already. YouthNews.online, in association with National Youth Foundation, Indian Yoga Association, and Parmarth Niketan Ashram have organized International Yoga E-Conclave, and today is the second day. We have some renowned and eminent speakers from all over the world to enlighten us. Yesterday was the first day of the conclave, and we had the privilege to listen to many spiritual gurus and yoga masters from all over the world sharing their wisdom and knowledge with us. It is my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all of you for the second day of International Yoga E-Conclave 2021. I would like to thank the sponsors of the conclave, who are City Montessori School, Vishwa and Vyasa Canada, the Art of Living Foundation, Hum Purna Yoga Institute, Sarva Yoga International, Resonance the Yoga Studio, International Naturopathy Organization, SBPASS, World Yoga Federation, Yoga Alliance International, Sunmark Event Expert, Adhyatma Yoga Kendra, Soham Department of Yoga and Naturopathy, MJ College, Jalgaon, Anand Ashram, Pondicherry, Dr. Nutan Ayurveda and Garbh Sanskar Academy, Manav Dharam, Argentinian Hindu Parishad. Thank you all. The reach and spread of yoga today spans across continents. There are communities of yoga practitioners in almost every country in the world today. In order to benefit fully from yoga, to understand yoga in its entirety, we must reflect on who is a yogi. There is a beautiful shlok in Bhagavad Gita where Lord Krishna says, Yasmano dvijate loko, lokano dvijate chayaha, harsham harsh bhayo dvegair, muktoya sachme priyaha. By whom the world is not disturbed, and he who is not disturbed by the world, who is free from joy, impatience, fear, and distress, he is also dear to me. As you all know, we are going through extraordinary times with the pandemic still quite prevalent. As the world battles the COVID-19 pandemic on a war footing, India's traditional system of yoga has been established as a means to boost immunity, improve overall health and well-being. On 20th March 2020, Director General of the WHO also suggested that people could do yoga to maintain their physical and mental health. This will not help you only in the long term, it will also help you to fight COVID-19 if you get it, he suggested.
So much. We would like to welcome you all. This event is organized by YouthNews.online in association with Parmarth Niketan Ashram and Indian Yoga Association. यहाँ आए हुए सभी लोगों का मैं हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूँ. This event is supported by City Montessori School, Vishwa and Vyasa Canada, the Art of Living Foundation, Hum Purna Yoga Institute, Sarva Yoga International, Resonance the Yoga Studio, International Naturopathy Organization, World Yoga Federation, Yoga Alliance, Sunmark Event Expert, Adhyatma Yoga Kendra, Soham Department of Yoga and Naturopathy, MJ College, Jalgaon, Ananda Ashram, Pondicherry, Dr. Nutan Ayurveda and Garbh Sanskar Academy, Manav Dharma Argentinian Hindu Parishad. इसी के साथ मैं यहाँ आए हुए सभी अतिथियों का हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूँ. हमारे बीच में अब से कुछ ही देर बाद आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर स्वामी सत्य प्रकाश जी होंगे, मैं उनका भी हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूं। We will be great to have special guest महात्मा कृष्णानंद जी, the president मानव धर्म अर्जेंटीनियन हिंदू परिषद, उनका भी स्वागत है। We would like to welcome Nandini Tripathi, Director of Project Implementation and Communication at Global Interfaith Wash Alliance. We would like to welcome Yogi Chintamani, educationist and peace activist from Nepal. We would like to welcome Acharya Vasudevanand ji. We would like to welcome Tone Well, Shishir Srivastav ji, Antim Kumar Jain ji, Eric joining it all the way. Then we have the list is endless. Acharya Vipin Joshi ji Maharaj, Swami Suryananda Saraswati. Then we would like to have the Dr. Nutan's speech. We would like to welcome her on board. Then Yogacharya Dhakka Ram ji, Dr. Madan Manav ji, Anant Biradar ji. We would like to welcome you all on behalf of Indian Yoga Association, National Youth Foundation, Parmarth Niketan, and YouthNews.online. With this, I would like to request Neetu ji to can you proceed this event further? Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Dr. Nutan Pakre, founder of AYG Academy, to share with us her insights on Garbh Sanskar, the need of the hour of giving birth to immune children. Dr. Nutan Pakre.
Namaste, pranam, and all dignitaries here. I feel like I am a children. I am just small person in front of all of you. Since 3 days, this program is going on so well. I can understand very well what happens, at the time of, because my topic is Garbh Sanskar, so I'll speak in that language. So at the time of delivery, what happens last minute, so many things happens, time management or so many things are there. So I must congratulate first Himanshu ji for, uniting all of us in this global platform. We are all speaking different language, but we are giving one message, that is of oneness and yoga. And this message is, we are also in different time and space, but still we are here. So I request all of you, let's just spread smile. Please, I know this is the closing ceremony and closing day, but and I can appreciate all of you being here. Still, you all are there, and so much, patience you people have. Thank you so much. Now, having said that, coming to the point, I will not take much time of yours. So my topic is Garbh Sanskar, the need of an hour. This is very important topic to me. Recently, I have even written one book which is available on Amazon. There are a lot to say. Please take that. The name of my book is The Garbh Sanskar, Ultimate Guide to to Garbh Sanskar. Anyways, so this International Day of Yoga celebration is, for me, it's the 7th International Day of Yoga, because I was associated with Kaivaladham, and in 2014, we have celebrated this International Day of Yoga, and Subodh Tiwari ji, who is CEO of Kaivaladham, with him, I remember all that enthusiasm. Even today, we are maintaining that in this lockdown. So this e-conclave program is nothing but it is the preparation for us to celebrate this day on 21st June, right? So Garbh Sanskar is also like that only. Garbh Sanskar is not rocket science, and before me, Swami Suryanand ji has explained so well. There are a lot of things which I want to say, and he said it. So be rooted. If your foundation is good, then you can reach to wherever you want to go. And when you reach there, maintenance that sustain, for the some period, the limited time is given for all of us. That is what Ayurveda says. We all have limited time. And even mother who conceives, she also has limited time, that is 9 months. And just imagine the tiny muscle mass or tiny, union of female male gametes. And particularly, specifically, I want to emphasize this point. that in Ayurvedic definition of this life has been given, other than this male and female gametes, there is a soul who unites, and then life starts. And life begins in the tube-like structure. It's a 2.5 centimeter space where our all of us, our life has started. And then we are starting, moving further, coming in the uterus, the space which we require more to grow further. And it's mother's responsibility. And just imagine that mother who devotionally nourished that child so well, and without having any selfishness during those periods, tolerating so much pain for you to give birth. So for that purpose, in Ayurveda, we have this science that is Garbha Sanskar. Garbha Sanskar is nothing but it is made up of two words, that is Garbha plus Sanskar. And I should, thanks to Swamiji who has started this whole session with the Sanskrit language. And there we are, we want to, again, maybe आज मैं भी English बोल रही हूँ समझाते वक्त, actually because we need to update, upgrade and convey the message which we want to give it. So the language is the medium. But Sanskrit, believe me, we all need to learn this Sanskrit language and accept and bring back this culture, because there are a lot of things which that Acharya has mentioned that in the coded language. So that need to be decoded and just accept. Then this corona will just vanish. And this is the need of an hour, because that language, that the secret is there in the scripture, and mainly in Indian scripture. And I'm proud to be Indian, and I'm proud to represent through my academy, taking baby steps to spread this Ayurveda, Yoga and Garbha Sanskar. That is what my academy, AYG, this knowledge is lot of, things which is there. And this Ayurveda tells that your life is limited. Similarly, this Garbha is nothing but union of male, female gamete and soul together. There are some, known factor for the conception are present. There are some unknown factor present for the conception behind the scene. So this is what the pre-pregnancy, we need to educate girls starting from her puberty, taking care of her health, maintaining this menstrual hygiene. Recently, we have celebrated that menstrual hygiene day on 28th May. So starting from that, you are preparing one mother. When she reaches to the motherhood stage, she will acknowledge her pain. Each month, the menstrual pain is nothing but it is a preparation for her to bear that the ultimate pain which she feels at the time of delivery of the baby, right? And then motherhood, just the taking care during that pregnancy. Then the second stage comes where that mother needs to take care of her diet. And here I don't mean diet means only food for the physical nourishment. It's a mental, spiritual, everything that baby is developing in the first trimester. The foundation is happening. Spiritual quotient, intellectual quotient, emotional quotient. All those three things are just happening in the first trimester, And that time, if mother needs stability, mother needs yoga, because yoga, you all know, so many dignitaries has already, mentioned what yoga is. So that time stability is needed, okay? First trimester. Then second trimester, mother and baby has accepted each other. And the second trimester is the strength building time. Here you can, add some asana, modified version of pranayama, meditation, music, reading, gardening. Just now Swamiji has said that how you can culture your baby. You cannot, teach your baby when it comes out. It's in our hand. It's the parents' responsibility. It's the couple's responsibility to take care of their body first before conception, clean their toxins and then take the decision, and that to be also on right time. Nowadays, late marriages are happening. Decision of conceiving is happening late. So we need to accept these artificial methods. And that is where we are going away from nature. Now coming back to the second trimester, which I am telling you, that strength building, here yoga teacher, health professional, and mother also is very, very safe, because everything is just stable. Now it's the time to add, and very important organs are developing in the second trimester, that is heart, brain and our sense organ. These three important things are developing in the second trimester. And after that, then everything is ready. This third trimester is just giving the space to both mother and baby, because it's time to go, it's time to see each other. So that is why we need to now give asana, which will create that space, to breathe freely, because baby is down, there is a little bit weight is there. And so when you help or assist with the help of yogic techniques to how to create that space, so that the mother can deliver the baby through natural way, that is the vaginal delivery, because baby learns how to fight and overcome this small tunnel, dark tunnel, passing through the that tunnel and coming in the space. So that is what I have written in my book. This is the very close subject. I introduced this 3S model in my book, that is stability, strength and space model. So that's it from my end. And thank you so much. I want to maintain my time, because Anushasan, that is there in me from the Kaivaladham, my mother institute. And I follow that till now. Thank you so much. If you have any query, please, my website is there. Himanshuji will connect you. And thank you again, team youthnews.online. This is really huge, successful webinar, and all credits goes to all of you. Thank you so much.